Namaste everyone, welcome again to the class. Now in this lecture, we will see some word problem related with differential equation. So first problem is question number 15, that find the equation of curve passing through the point 0, 0 and whose differential equation is y dash is equals to e power x into sin x. So what is given? We have given differential equation y dash is equals to e power x into sin x. So therefore I will integrate, I will say that y is equals to integration of e power x into sin x dx. So you have to integrate it. Now here you are going to use integration by parts, and that exponential we always take as v part. So this is your u part, this is your v part. So by using integration by part, you will say this is sin x into integration of e power x dx minus integration of d by dx of sin x into integration of e power x dx, the whole dx. So here it is e power x, integration of e power x is e power x. So this is sin x into e power x. I will say that sin x into e power x minus derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is cos x into e power x into dx. So again I have to use integration by part. So sin x into e power x minus, here I will use by parts. So cos x into integration of e power x dx minus integration of d by dx of cos x into integration of e power x dx, the whole dx, is equals to sin x into e power x minus, here it is cos x into integration of e power x is e power x minus derivative of cos x is, so inside integration I have minus sin x into e power x into dx. Now if I open this bracket, I will get this as e power x into sin x minus e power x into cos x, and this minus minus plus and then minus, so again minus e power x into sin x dx. Now e power x into sin x dx is y, so we will replace this whole term by y. Here also I have y, so therefore I have y is equals to, now from here I will take e power x common, so I have e power x, inside bracket I have sin x minus cos x, and here I have minus y. So therefore, of course, as we are integrating, we will use plus c, so plus constant of integration. Now this minus y will come on left. I have 2y is equals to e power x into sin x minus cos x plus c. Therefore y will become e power x upon 2 into sin x minus cos x plus, now c divided by 2, so I will say that plus c1, right. Now this is the equation of curve, and what is given? The curve passes through 0, 0. So as curve passes through 0, 0, we have 0 is equals to e power 0 is 1, 1 by 2 into sine 0 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1 plus C1. So therefore C1 is equals to half. Therefore y equal to e power x upon 2 into sin x minus cos x plus half is required equation of curve. This is the required equation of curve. Simple question, right? Now see this 16th question. Question number 16 is, for the differential equation xy dy upon dx is equals to x plus 2 y plus 2, find the solution of curve passing through point 1, minus 1. So our differential equation is xy dy upon dx is equals to x plus 2 into y plus 2. So therefore y upon y plus 2 into dy is equals to x plus 2 upon x into dx. We have to find solution. So therefore we will integrate. Therefore integration of y upon y plus 2 into dy is equals to integration of, here x upon x is 1 plus 2 upon x dx. So therefore now here y upon y plus 2, the degree of numerator is same as degree of denominator. So we should divide numerator with denominator. But here as our numerator is y, we will do little adjustment. That is, we say that this is y plus 2 minus 2 and divide by y plus 2 into dy is equals to, here it is 1 plus 2 upon x dx. Okay. So why I am not integrating this right hand side? You can integrate at this stage, but let us simplify left hand side and then integrate both the sides together. Okay. So therefore here on left hand side I have y plus 2 upon y plus 2 is 1. So 1 minus 2 upon y plus 2 into dy is equals to, on this side I have 1 plus 2 upon x into dx. So therefore after integration I will get y minus 2 log y plus 2 is equals to, here I have x plus 2 log x plus there is some constant c. Okay. Now the curve passes through 1, minus 1. As curve passes 1, minus 1, we have minus 1 minus 2 log minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2 log 1 plus c. So therefore minus 1, now log 1 is 0, so here it is minus 1 is equals to plus 1, here also log 1 is 0, so plus 1 plus c. So therefore c is equals to minus 2. So therefore the required equation of curve is the required equation of curve is y minus 2 log y plus 2, y minus 2 log y plus 2 is equals to x plus log x minus 2. It is x plus log x plus c, x plus 2 log x plus c. So x plus 2 times log x, c is minus 2, so minus 2. So this is required equation of the curve. Okay, so 2 problems related with curve. Now let us see what is the next question. Third question is find the equation of curve passing through point this, given that the point this on the curve, the product that any point on the curve, the product of the slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point is equal to x coordinate of the point. Okay, so just read question again and put everything in terms of symbols. We will be in position to find the answer. So any point on the curve, the product of slope of its tangent. So product of slope of its tangent means first tangent is dy upon dx. Now product of this tangent slope, the product of slope of tangent and y coordinate. So y into dy upon dx is equals to x coordinate. Okay, so this is given. Now you have to solve this differential equation and put the value of 0 and minus 2 and get the value of c, and you will get the required equation of the curve. So here therefore I have y dy is equals to x dx. Therefore integration of y dy is equals to integration of x dx. Therefore y square upon 2 is equals to x square upon 2 plus c. Okay, now the curve passes through 0, minus 2. So as curve passes through 0, minus 2, we will say that minus 2 square divided by 2 is equals to 0 plus c. Therefore 2 is equals to c. Therefore the required equation of curve is, what is the required equation of curve? It is y square upon 2 is equals to x square upon 2 plus 2. So it is y square upon 2 is equals to x square upon 2 plus 2. That is, we multiply by 2. So y square is equals to x square plus 4. So y square is equals to x square plus 4 is the required equation of the curve. So problem seems to be difficult, but it is very simple problem, right? Okay, fine. Next, move to 18th question. 18th question. Let us see what is this. Eighteenth question. At any point x, y of the curve, the slope of tangent is twice the slope of segment joining the point of contact of the point minus 4, minus 3. Find the equation of the curve given that it passes through minus 2, minus 3. At any point xy of the curve, the slope of tangent is, slope of tangent means dy upon dx. This is twice, this is 2 times, is twice the slope of line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4, 3. So this is equals to, now slope joining this point and x, y is y minus y1, that is y plus 3 upon x plus 4. So dy upon dx is 2 times of this, find the equation of the curve. Okay, so what we have done, you can first find the slope of line segment joining x, y with minus 4, minus 3. The formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, slope of the line. So you will get this expression. Now I will keep all y terms with dy. So it is 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to, into dy obviously, is equals to 2 into 1 upon x plus 4 into dx. So therefore I will integrate on both the sides. Therefore integration of 1 upon y plus 3 dy is equals to 2 into integration of 1 upon x plus 4 dx. So therefore here we have log of y plus 3 is equals to 2 into log of x plus 4 plus c. Okay, now the curve passes through minus 2 comma 1. So as the curve passes through from which point? As the curve passes through minus 2 comma 1, we put 1 in place of y. So we get log of 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 into log of 1 plus 4 plus c. So this is log 4 is equals to 2 times log 5 plus c. So therefore c is equals to log 4 minus 2 log 5. This is equals to log 4 minus log 25. This is equals to log 4 upon 25. Now this is the value of c. Therefore equation of curve is, therefore the required equation of curve, you can remove these log terms. Log y plus 3, so let us remove afterwards. Therefore is log y plus 3 is equals to log 2 log x plus 4 2 log x plus 4 plus log 4 divided by 25. Now this can be written as log of, I will write x plus 4 the whole square into 4 upon 25, and here it is log y plus 3. So log we remove. So therefore I have y plus 3 is equals to 4 upon 25 x plus 4 the whole square, that is y is equals to 4 upon 25 x plus 4 the whole square minus 3. This is the required equation of curve. So this is 18th question. Okay, now let us see this 19th question. Nineteenth question is the volume of a spherical balloon being inflated changes at a constant rate. If initially the radius is 3 unit and after 3 seconds it is 6 unit, find the radius of balloon after t second. Okay, the volume of a spherical balloon being inflated changes at, so volume of balloon V, it is spherical in shape, so V is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is given? That the volume changes, so dV upon dt is given, dV upon dt the volume of a spherical balloon being inflated changes at a constant rate. So it is changing at a constant rate. This is some constant. So therefore d upon dt of volume is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube is some constant k. So here we have 4 by 3 pi. I can take common 4 by 3 So here we have okay, forget it. I will write again. 4 by 3 pi into r cube. If we differentiate, we will get 3r square into dr upon dt. We have to find the value of r is equals to k. So this 3 and 3 I will cancel. Therefore, I will keep all r on one side, that is r square into dr will be equals to this 4 pi will move on, right? So this will be equals to k upon 4 pi into dt. So therefore integration of r square dr is equals to k upon 4 pi integration of dt. So therefore integration of r square is what? Integration of r square is r cube divided by 3 is equals to k upon 4 pi. Integration of t is what? T, plus there is some constant c. So now two unknowns are there, one is k and one is c. Also they have given two conditions, that initially the radius is 3 unit. So initially the radius is 3 unit means when t is 0, r is 3, therefore this will become 3 cube divided by 3 is equals to, here it becomes k upon 4 pi into 0 plus c. So therefore this is 3 3 is 9 is equals to c. So we get the value of c as 9. Now after 3 seconds, what next? After 3 seconds it is 6. So after 3 seconds, r is 6. So when t is 3, r is 6. So therefore we have 6 cube divided by 3 is equals to k divided by 4 pi into t is 3, so it is 3 cube plus c. So the value of c we got 9 plus 9. So here we simplify it. Therefore 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 2s are 72. So I get 72 minus 9 is equals to 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. 27 divided by 4k divided by 4 pi. There is some problem with eraser. So this is 27 upon 4 pi. I will write 27 divided by 4 pi times k. Okay. So therefore 12 minus 9, 3. This is 63. Now I want the value of k. So 63 divided by 27 into 4 pi is equals to k. So 9 3s are, and with 3 we can cancel. Na? 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are. Achha, with 9 also I can cancel. Na? 9 7s are 63. Again problem. 9 7s are 63 and 9 3s are 27. So the value of k, therefore value of k is 7 4s are 28 pi divided by 3. This is the value of k. So I got the value of k, I got the value of c, therefore my particular solution, or I can say that find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. Therefore r square, or what expression we have got, r cube divided by 3. Therefore r cube divided by 3 is equals to k upon 4 pi. So k is 28 pi upon 3 upon 4 pi. K upon 4 pi t plus c. K upon 4 pi t plus, now the value of c we got 9 plus 9. So therefore r cube divided by 3 is equals to, now this pi will cancel, 4 7s are, is equals to 7 upon 3 t plus 9. This is required expression. This is what we want. We want find the radius of the balloon after t seconds. So this is an expression by which I can find the radius of balloon after t second. Yes, okay. So fine, we stop here, and next lecture we will see few more problems. So this exercise 9.4 is little lengthy. In 4 lectures we are able to solve these problems, each lecture near about half an hour. So within 2 hours, okay, within 2 hours you can finish this exercise. So isn't it simple? Yes.